Welcome to Dentistry Explorer. Today in this presentation we will be talking regarding the 5 most common mistakes what we are doing while brushing and which toothpaste should be more useful for us and when to brush our teeth and do we really need to brush twice daily. These are the most frequent questions asked by the general population to the dentist. So in this video we are trying to cover these common question and the common mistake that we are doing while brushing. Starting from the history of brushing, modern idea of the toothbrush was invented first in late 14th century in China. Later on, this idea was introduced in Western world in 16th century. Till now, various research are undergoing to make brushing more efficient and effective. Why we need to brush our teeth? Toothbrushing is one of the most effective method that you can do to keep your oral health better. Most of our dental problem will arises due to lack of oral hygiene habit. As oral cavity is the gateway of our body, if we are not aware of oral health, it will obviously hamper our general health as well. Today, everyone are curious to have a beautiful smile. Brushing is the mandatory and the basic technique that could be practiced for better oral health. Refusal of the brush one's teeth for several days can lead to the onset of the gum disease. Brushing ensures the removal of the deposit on the tooth surface, which is the primary cause for the tooth decay and the gum disease. Many people feel brushing is inconvenient task. Still, many people simply don't like to brush. They might feel like it is inconvenient chore or even find that toothbrushing is physically uncomfortable. But they forget the advantage of the brushing, which is preventing the major problem regarding the oral health. There are various brands of the toothbrush available in market. Most of them are marketed as per the guideline of American Dental Association. Most of us can use any of the soft bristle toothbrush from the market except those who have some gum disease and other specific problem. They can use the brush as per the recommended by their dentist. These are the special type of toothbrushes and these are the modification in the handle for the special children. Most of the dentists advocate to brush after every meal, but in the various research, they have found that brushing twice daily and also brushing teeth after having sweet food is enough. The root cause of the most of the dental disease is improper oral hygiene, which create the proper environment for the bacterial growth within our oral cavity that will eventually create a variety of dental disease. I suggest to brush teeth twice daily, one after having breakfast and another you have to brush before you go to bed so that it will disturb the path of bacterial colonization in our oral cavity. Brushing twice is not only sufficient. Using proper technique is also equally important to keep healthy mouth. There are various techniques of brushing for different person. For adult, best technique till date is modified brush technique. It is seen in this video. Once we have to include only 2 tooth in and we have to do 2 and 4 motion and we have to after 10 to 15 2 and 4 motion we have to sweep it down as shown in video. This should be continued in the all of the surface of the tooth. And for the children there is circular motion are used rather than 2 and 4 motion. These are the 5 common mistakes while we are brushing our teeth. First one is the wrong direction. Most of us are brushing up and down or side by side. It is not the technique of brushing. And the second common mistake that we are doing is we brush many teeth at once. But I previously mentioned that please only brush 2 teeth at once. And third most common mistake is we apply a greater force while brushing. So brushing third common mistake is brushing should not be hard. Easy, tighter, self-care brushing technique should be followed. It should not hurt our teeth and gums. Fourth mistake that we are doing is we brush soon after eating, but it is not good to brush soon after eating, as stomach acid can erode the enamel. Fifth common mistake is our choice regarding the toothpaste. We use whitening ingredients which causes the sensitivity to our teeth. So there are various toothpaste available in the market, but you have to look for those containing fluoride, as fluoride is the main constituent to prevent the tooth decay. While looking for the toothpaste, please check whether it is certified by CDC, ADA or not. There are various toothpaste without fluoride as well. It is not effective for the brushing, so I will not recommend those toothpaste. Many of us are curious regarding the Centerline. This toothpaste is for the patient who are suffering from the sensitivity while having cold, hot and sweet food. So use the toothpaste only when it is recommended by your dentist. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.